Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arsen. Friend, just a couple of videos back, I've shown you a sofa set that was in white and gold paint and a very heavy design that was in 3 inches base wood. Generally, the sofa sets are maximum 1.5 inches base wood. By base wood, I mean this part, the thickness of the wood. The actual wood that is used, 1.5 inches is the actual size of a wood that is used in a regular sofa set. This one again is in 3 inches base wood. So the wood that's been used, this is 3 inches wide, and in the entire structure, this heavy wood has been used. Now, if you want to measure how heavy this set is, you can go to any nearest doors of yours and you can measure that door. That would be hardly 1.5 inches. So accordingly, you can see it's double the size of the door. That is the part of the wood. This is solid teak wood and the best finish, the natural teak finish that we have. When we have teak wood, nothing beats the beauty of the actual wood color. This is a 7-seater set with a big table and 2 side tables. And coincidentally, this one is also going to Kerala, but that was a different client, and this client is different. So similar looking heavy design sets in heavy structure, one in white and gold I've shown you, this one in teak finish, both are going to Kerala. Now this is in leatherette finish as the client wanted, the classical brown leather and with tufted back. And the design is a little different from the other sofas I have sent you. As I mentioned, now we are getting a lot of pictures from across the globe and mostly are catalog images or the designs that has been made in Italy or in Indonesia and Turkey designs, Egyptian designs, and people are asking us to create those designs for us, for them, and we are creating and sending it to their places. A 7-seater set with heavy look, and this one again in double carving. So front and back, both sides are carved. The back I'll show you later. First, the design part. The 3-seater is out and out 7 feet. This has got a curve in their handles. So the handle is like this. So both sides is protruding outside. The back height is 45 inches till this point, and front to back this would cover 30 inches of area, so 2.5 feet it would cover from out and out. Then we have a 2-seater in this. The 2-seater is out and out 65 inches, a little 1 inch less than 5.5 feet. The height is same 45, and front to back again 30 inches it would cover. Then we have the chairs. The chairs are out and out 3.5 feet, so 6 inches more than regular size. The back is 45, front to back again 30 inches area it would cover. Along with this, we have 2 side tables, 24 inches square. The height is 22 inches. And we do have a big 4-feet table that I'll show you later in this video. Now about the designing part and the work. This has got a tufted back, as you can see, and this is a contemporary design. A lot of furniture with this contemporary design are getting done. And this is a blend of classical and the Victorian look that you can see here. The cushion we use is 40 density, so that's not very hard, not very soft. Very hard cushion gives you the feeling that you are sitting on a wood plank. Less density cushion goes too soft, so when you sit for a long time, let's say you are sitting, I'm sitting here, and when the cushion is quite soft, I tend to get inside the cushion. So when I get up after a half an hour or a little more time, I'll feel a little backache. So that's not very suggested thing unless you're using a bean bag kind of stuff, because bean bags can be used for too much relaxation. And the kind of work we are doing is heavy woodwork, heavy quilting, and the nicer work that you see requires good cushioning also. So it is cushioned completely here. You can see a 6 inches thick cushion here, and that's why it goes a little heavy, as well as the cushion is not very soft. Now about the sitting, as I'm sitting here, the handle part, when it has a cushion, it gives a relaxing place for a hand to sit on. Generally, when we have wood here, it's not that relaxed uh, thing to put your hand. Now you can sit easily here, and with the back curvature and the design looks very nice. Here you can see I'm sitting in the middle, and again I have quite good space in the unit. Now the chair part. When we have big size chair, they are generally for extra space of sitting. Now here you can see I'm getting a lot of space on both sides, vacant here, and I'm getting enough space to sit on this chair. So if you have guests and they need more space to sit, something like this is very handy and very nice as well. Regarding the designing part, everywhere you will see heavy work. The legs are heavy, quite curvaceous, the curved design on all the sides, and this outside protruding handle gives it a different look than the regular sofas we have. The top part, again with the wing design, has got heavy carving as well as the design. The design is also heavy design. The actual unit is also heavy because 3 inches basewood makes it very uh, heavy in the is you can see it's very difficult to pick up by a single person. Quite heavy units, and it's in double carving. Now let me show you the table first, then we move on to a double carving part. This is a 4 feet square table with this set. 4 feet is a very big size for a table, but with bigger sets, we try and accommodate a lot of people because it's a 7-seater and a number of people are sitting across. So they want reach to the table. And with the side tables also, we can cater to the guests. So the side table can also come in the middle between the two chairs, and that concept also works fine. Now, if we talk about the area that we would cover with this set, for the side tables, there's one more thing that these side tables can move to the corners. Generally, if you have a rectangular living room, the corners gets empty when you put this kind of structure, unless you have an L shape or a U shape sofa. So these side tables can move to corners also for the purpose some vase or a designer item or a statue kind of thing that can sit in a corner. So they can move to these corners as well. Now the area part, how much area you would require to have this set. This unit is 7 feet. Both the sides we have 2.5 and 2.5. So 5 feet that side, 7 feet here. And then we will need a little space in the middle. Let's say 3 to 4 inches on both sides. So altogether you require around 13 feet of area on this wall. So this wall requires to be 13 feet to keep this kind of set. This length, 42 plus 42 is 84, again 7 feet. And with the side table, if you move to that corner, that's 2 feet. So 7 and 2, 9. And 2.5 feet here. So 9 and so 11.5 feet. So approx 12.5 feet area you require this side. Or if you're not keeping the side table on that side, it can move here. In that case, you require around 9.5, 10 feet area here. So if we are keeping the side table there, then you require around 12 feet of area on this wall, or otherwise you can work in a 10 feet area also. So 13 by 10 feet area is required for this kind of setup to put, and you can keep the front side open, or you can move the chairs to one side or a two-seater that side, two chairs on this side as per your setup, however the setup allows. If you have a window on one wall, something like a divan or an open back settee can also be considered, because with these kind of sets, generally when you have 4 feet height at the back, the window tends to get a little covered. So if you have windows design and you don't want to cover the windows, open back settee or a divan concept can also work. Number of seats, designs, colors, fabrics, the table size, the side tables, this is everything as per the client's requirement. You require more number of seats, we can do that. You require less number of seats, that can be done. It's the natural teak shade in gloss finish. If you're looking for matte finish, that can be done. If you're looking for walnut or gold, silver, copper, rose gold, white, off-white, several colors are there. We can provide you as per your choice and deliver to any part of India. This is going to Kerala. We are also delivering outside India to most of the places. We have delivered to Oman, we have delivered to Netherlands, Germany, UK, to most of the parts in Europe. Australia, New Zealand, Japan, US, almost everywhere, and Canada we have delivered recently. So most of the areas we have already covered. We have sent to Tanzania, we have sent to Ghana, and one shipment we've sent recently to Kenya. So most of the locations we have already covered. So anywhere you are, you can contact us and we can help you with the setup and delivery to your place. Now moving on to the double carving concept. We have just delivered one set to Bhubaneswar, our real heavy golden set, the 5-seater, and I just received pictures from the clients. The client is very happy. The double carving looks good when you have something in the middle of the room. If not exactly middle, the area where you have some distance from the wall. This unit is carved from the back, as you can see, the carving on the back as well. The normal units are plain, they don't have any design on the back because it goes towards the wall. So something that is getting hidden, there is no point spending so much money in that. And just like the front part you see in the 3-seater there, the 2-seater also has the carving at the back. The 3-seater also has the carving and the 2 chairs also. Just like the 3-seater you see there, the front part is completely carved. Similarly, we have the 2-seater and the chair carved from the back as well. And the kind of legs we have on the front, similarly, we have the curvaceous design on the legs with the full carving at the back as well. Now let's see, someone is moving from the other side. From the camera angle, someone is moving in. And you have placed the set like this. So the complete look of the set from all sides is nicely visible. And friends, this is not cheap furniture. This is not carpenter's work. This is the work of artisans. It takes months to create structures for this unit. It takes a lot of time and number of people to get the finishing done because every cutting this area inside, they take a sandpaper and they finish it to get the smooth look that we are getting from inside in all the areas here. Everywhere you see, these are sanded properly and it takes a lot of time because it's done by hands. No machine can work in these areas. These small cuttings, everywhere the sanding is done. So it takes a number of days to get this kind of finishing that you see here. It's natural teak finish, and in natural teak finish, the grains are visible. The work is visible very clearly of the wood. If you have a big living room and you want to place something that is not going towards the wall, you can consider this double carving as an option. This is not available in any other furniture. Only the hand carved furniture can give you this double carving look. The fully cushioned one, the other furniture, plain furniture that you get in the local stores, they cannot give you this royal theme. If you have a home palace, it's not about the money, it's not about the grand structures. It's about your feeling that you want your place to look like a palace. Be it a small flat or a big house, doesn't matter. The interiors are like this only. It depends on your choice. Another question a lot of people ask us about, that we have small house or a flat and these kind of heavy units don't look good there. Friends, that's a misconception because the sizes of a regular sofa remains the same because the sitting space everybody needs would be same, whether it's a fully cushioned one, a simple sofa, or a heavy carving one. So space is almost the same that is captured by a regular sofa or this one, unless you have a very light design kind of thing. I would request you to let us know how you like our work. If there is something you want us to improve on, if you have a suggestion, we would be very happy to have it. Please let us know. I sincerely request you to let us know what do you think about this kind of work we are doing. And if we like something, that should be appreciated. Their artwork, their talent should be appreciated. I hope you like this. I request you sincerely for a few comments. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you. Thank you so much.